Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I am Dr. Ghosh and I am an astrology, numerology, and Vastu expert. The video I bought for you today on your very own channel is about 10 things that you must avoid doing on Thursday to ensure good health, prosperity, career growth, and harmonious relationships with your friends and family. But before we go on to the channel, let me share with you a brief about your favorite channel, The Ancients. I started this in February 2021 to share with you the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu so that you can enjoy a life filled with good health, good fortune, prosperity, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your friends and family. Please subscribe to the channel and also feel free to share these videos with your friends and family so that they too can benefit from the videos which I share with you on a regular basis. Coming back to our topic, some of those things which you must always avoid on Thursday is using sarson ka tel or mustard oil in your puja. On Thursdays, always ensure that you use ghee only while doing puja. The diya must be of pure ghee, especially cow milk ghee is preferred. And the number of diyas must be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, means in even numbers. This will get you multiple benefits in your career and personal life. Second, ensure that you never cut your nails on Thursdays. It reduces your lifespan and brings misfortunes and bad luck to you. Cut your nails only on Wednesdays or Fridays. On Thursdays, one must ensure that one does not mop one's residence or office. Mopping brings upon you disputes if you do it on Thursday. Ensure that you can do mopping on all other days, but avoid mopping your home with a wet mop on Thursdays only. Do not eat bananas on Thursdays. For ladies, they must ensure that they do not wash their hair or even cut their hair, eyebrows, or nails. This will bring marriage problems. Also, the progress of the husband and children will be stopped to a large extent. If you want that your children and husband progresses in their business and career, ensure that you never wash your hair on Thursdays. Do not use bad words and filthy language on Thursdays. Thursdays, avoid use of any abusive language. It brings obstacles in your path. When you have elder people staying at your residence or in your office, ensure that you never insult them, give them the due respect, especially on Thursdays. Otherwise, you bring misfortunes upon yourself. Laundry washing and ironing of clothes on Thursday must be avoided. It increases difficulties, misfortunes, and brings obstacles in your path. Ensure that you don't do your laundry and ironing of clothes on Thursdays. Never send garbage out of your home on Thursdays, especially not on Thursday evenings. Avoid it at all costs. When you do send your garbage out on Thursdays, then you ensure a bleak future for yourself. Misfortunes, difficulties, obstacles are always there in your life. Avoid sending the garbage out of your home on Thursdays. Another critical thing on Thursdays is that you must never ever play to Goddess Lakshmi alone on Thursdays. Whenever you pray to Goddess Lakshmi on Thursdays, ensure that you are also praying to Lord Vishnu. Do the prayers to both of them together. On all other days, you can pray to Goddess Lakshmi alone. But on Thursdays, you must pray to them as a couple, to Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi. This brings harmony and increases the love between the couple. If you avoid that, you bring disputes into your family. So always ensure that you pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Vishnu together on Thursdays specifically. Friends, I'm sure you like these informative videos which I share with you on a regular basis. Once again, I request all of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel or have come onto the channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel as I share with you on this channel on a regular basis the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu, so that you enjoy a life filled with good health, good fortune, prosperity, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. Please also feel free to share these videos with your near and dear ones and also encourage them to subscribe to the video so that they too can derive the benefits of the multiple videos which are released on this channel, The Ancients. Till we meet again with another very informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.